Discussion. What's important today? Due Friday, October 5th, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Essential question. To what extent are ideas from early civilizations important in today's world? Think about everything you've learned about ancient civilizations and what helped to develop them. Social, economic, political, and technological advancements. In your opinion, which of these developments is most important in our society today? Give a specific example of a development from an ancient civilization that we've studied and connect it to a specific example in your life today. Suggested categories include agricultural revolution, art, architecture, boat building, education, religious beliefs, or structure of government and law. Use your notes, not only from the videos of the last 2 weeks, but also other assignments that we've done in this unit. Think of this as a sort of review over the whole Ancient Civilizations Unit 1. Give a well-written paragraph or two with at least 3 specific details, and then respond to at least 2 classmates. Your responses should say whether you agree or disagree, and give at least 2 specific details in each response as to why you agree or disagree. Rubric. Post equals 40 points. 1 to 2 well-written, complete paragraphs. Includes at least 3 specific examples from ancient civilizations that we have studied in Unit 1. Reply number 1 equals 30 points. State whether you agree or disagree with your classmate. Use at least 2 specific examples from your notes or other assignments as to why you agree or disagree. Reply number 2 equals 30 points. State whether you agree or disagree with your classmate. Use at least 2 specific examples from your notes or other assignments as to why you agree or disagree.